stay on and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get.
We are in Cali. So, we landed in Cali last night. Today is our first official day and we are gonna head to the grocery store and get some groceries because we are gonna be here for a week. There is something that I want to kind of like talk about because I feel like we're just like jumping into a whole new vlog and I haven't even given you guys like an update of my life. We are in June now and I just finished my third year of college. I am on summer break and I am gonna enjoy the summer because girl, let me tell you, this school year was crazy and it was just so stressful. But whenever I come on these trips, I never know the itinerary or like the agenda. I just go with the flow and live my best life. I am doing good though. I missed you guys a lot, so I am vlogging this whole entire trip for you guys. Let's see what this week unfolds for us and we're gonna have a really good time. This is how Asians figure out if the watermelon's good or not. Alright, go grab my grandma, go grab that thigh.
Look, it's yellow. Listen to it.
Dude. She said small.
Oh, here. Here.
Oh, no, may chop la. Look at it, guys. The longest receipt I've ever seen in my whole entire life. So, update. We took a fat ass nap earlier. We've been swimming all day and so we took a nap, but now we are hiking. We drove up here, but we're gonna hike. Update. We are heading to La Jolla and we're gonna explore La Jolla today.
Kayla, we didn't even tell them how about the airport situation.
Do you want to tell them?
So basically we're at the airport and my dad picked up the wrong bag, and right before we were about to board, my mom was hungry, so she was like, where's the bag of food? And then they opened it up and it was not their bag. So my brother ran all the way over and waited for TSA to give them the bag, and then he was like waiting for the food bag, and we're like, bro, like just leave, like who cares? But he like made it like last minute, like at the very last second. and the ramp agent lady was being really mean and rude and was like, I'm about to board, I'm about to shut the gate of the door in like 2 minutes. But like we didn't even leave until like 13 minutes after that, because apparently there was like a bathroom situation that was going on that needed to be fixed on. So we all made it here.
We almost didn't make it, guys. Well, I made it. I boarded because I had my pass, but my siblings, my mom and my dad, they had all their passes in one phone, and they were trying to stall time so that my uncle could make it. And every time I look back, I did not see my siblings or my parents, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna be in Cali by myself. I'm gonna be stranded in Cali by myself.
She's a Cali girl now.
Clearly we are not from Cali, because the way I was dressed this morning, I had to go buy myself a sweater. I got a matcha latte, iced matcha latte. It tastes kind of bland. Like, I feel like they could have added more flavor to it. It's alright. I had better matcha before. I would say this is like a 6 out of 10. This one's just like a 6. I feel like it doesn't really taste like matcha.
What is yours?
That's better.
Yeah, this is so much better.
You said, is this slush?
My dad got the slush and I got the latte. Let me have yours. And then this is a Thai tea.
That one is good.
I don't like latte.
Also, the sun finally came out. We were at the beach for a little bit, but it was way too cold and too windy to really do anything, but it was nice. It was very scenic. Now we're gonna go eat, what is it, pho? So we're gonna go to a Vietnamese restaurant, and I'm gonna eat some pho. I haven't had pho in so long. Okay, these are their golden dumplings. Cheers.
I didn't mix mine yet, but
Wait, actually, let me throw some of my fried rice.
Bro. Yep.
I don't even know what this is called. It's called Kingdom Cuisine. Well, first time. Any what area I want to go eat some fun.
Came across this vintage thrift shop and we're just checking out what they have. Today is super hot. It's like so freaking hot. I think it's 80 degrees out. This is the kind of weather that just pisses you off, but we're trying to make the best of it because we didn't come to Cali for nothing. We didn't spend all that money for nothing, so we are thrifting. Their shoe collection is not the best. For some reason, every single time I go thrifting, I never find a cute pair of shoes for myself, but I always end up finding a cute pair for my friends. We don't wear the same size shoes, so I always find good shoes for them, and then I end up not finding any for me, and I get so jealous. I guess that's what I get for having the most common size shoe ever. Oh, I'm looking at their jewelry now. I go home finding a cute piece of jewelry, I'm gonna be so happy.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Pero like the bit of
San Diego.
Today we are exploring San Diego Zoo.
Set their ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the same.
Hey, look at cheese. Look at this cheese.
It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap.
We are at this restaurant called Kin Len, and it is a Thai restaurant. The aesthetics in here are really nice, really cute. Some sticky rice. I don't know what sauce this is. Pepper is so good.
Yeah.
That's good. One cherry, and then can we do 5 mango? We got some matcha. Way better than last time. We just hit LA and we are in the Funko Pop store. I did not expect this. It's huge. It looks so cool in here. They just have all these cool Funko Pops. Ooh, the Spider-Man one. Ooh, exclusive. Spider-Gwen. They have Hello Kitty and Cinnamon. Wait. So cute. Oh, this one is playing soccer. I don't know which one to choose. I am stuck between this one and this one down here. I don't know which one I want.
What does it taste like?
It's just meat. You want some? Did you try it with the sauce?
It's very hard to chew.
Is it chewy?
Yes. It's very good.
I've never been this close to a bird. Wow!
Mr. Birdman over here.
Wow.
Where's mom? Yo, this one's